Here's another elevator at the Daytona Beach Hard Rock Hotel. And there's Courtyard Suites out there. It's the Courtyard Suites elevator. Going up to 2. All right, let's listen to the motor. Here's out into the lobby. You can see the other bank of elevators over here. All right, we will go down to the lobby. Here's a look at the cab. The motor is epic, but unfortunately this thing is a death trap because, you know, of it being an MRL Hydro. Anyways, we're gonna go to 2. Listen. It's fast for a Hydro, definitely. There's out into the courtyard rooms there. Alright. Yeah, you know what, I guess I'll end here, just... Anyways, there it goes, and that will be it.